Alright guys, I'm gonna try it here. Trying out gonna shoot the Glock 21 SF today. I have got an aftermarket Lonewolf 45 ACP barrel. It's a 6-inch extended barrel. Had good luck with it so far. That's the only modification I've done to it. I hadn't added any more sights or anything. And just gonna try that out and see if we can't ring some steel with it. Shoots good, you know, for a little bit I've shot it, and let's just see how it goes. Well, guess that went a whole lot better than I expected. Like I said, not very much recoil out of the Glock, and pretty impressed with the Lone Wolf barrel there. Runs good, shoots good, and that's just regular old Wolf, cheapest stuff you can get, or cheapest I could find anyway, and just regular 230 full metal jackets. Alright, and let's see. That's about it. Like I said, I'll try to get some more stuff up for y'all soon, and appreciate all y'all that's been watching these and bearing with us as we try to get this stuff up and running, and have a good evening.